Hi everyone, this is Moving Goer Lisa 007 and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yay! Today I have a fun little Christmas project for you guys. If you're short on time or if you're in a hurry and if you don't want to spend no more money on any more Christmas items, you can make your own berry hooks. What you need for this project is some craft wire. This one will do. I think it's an 18 or 20 gauge. I'm not sure. You double check on me on that. The tools that you'll need are these pliers, a straightening out wire, and flush cutters. These are the round nose pliers. And excuse me, I have a little bit of dry throat this morning. And these are the straightening out wire. So what you need, pull out, sorry for my voice going in and out this morning. You unwrap your wire about 2 inches. This wire will straighten it out. If I can get it to work, it'd be a miracle. All it does is straightens out your wire. I found mine on Amazon, or you can find it on pluscompare.com. And yeah, you can find all these tools at Michael's or Hobby Lobby, Joann's. Sometimes you don't want to fight the traffic. It'd be better to order online, I think. Now, what you want to do is take a 2-inch, about maybe here. You don't want it too small because the ornament has to go. We're making ornament hooks. This is the tutorial for it. If you want to learn how to make hooks, then stick around. And here we go. About maybe eyeball it. Right about here. Okay. And then set that aside. You want one of these this is called a craft wire. You can buy this at your local craft store, such as Michael's, Joann's, Hobby Lobby, or even Amazon, Plus Compare. You know, anywhere where they sell these type of wire will do. Take your nose pliers, make a little ball, curl up. You don't want to go all the way in, but enough to get that hook through. And then all you want to do, put it down like this. Now, if it's too big, you can always move the wire. That's why I love these wires so much. It's so bendable. If it's too big, take it. See if I can do it on camera. Take it and cut it right about there. Don't let it go flying, and then snip it off. Set that aside. Here's the hook. How perfect that is. You don't have to spend any money because you already paid for your wire. And this is the name of the wire. It's called aluminum craft wire. And plus, these hooks look so much better than the original hooks that are about 20 years old. All you do is just slip this on the bottom of your ornament and put this around the tree, and there you go. One perfectly good looking hook. This hook will save you time and money if you do this project. You don't have to worry about fighting the traffic or look. If you can't find any of these type of hooks, you can always make your own. So here it is. This is called Ornament Hooks for your Christmas tree. So happy hunting. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And I apologize for clearing of the throat. You know, first thing in the morning, I always get a dry throat. And I got really excited to show a new tutorial because sometimes I don't have any good ideas that would be, you know, worth viewing or doing. So hopefully this is a fun tutorial for you guys to do. You put the ornament right here, and then this hook goes around the tree. Tree ornament hook. Here it is, your ornament hook. It is about the same size as your hand. So once more, unravel it, straighten out your wire with this. This is called a straightening tool. Just pull out slowly and cut about maybe right around here. Cut right. You want it about maybe 2 inches. I'll do it one more time. These are really fun to make. They're kind of addictive, especially if you're a sewist or a crafter. There you go. There's our hook. All I did was use my tool to turn it up. Take this tool. Go down. And again, if it's a little bit too big, take your flush cutters where that bent mark is, kind of eyeball it and cut right there. You see, that's where I cut. There's the second one. You can make as many of these as you can. So you can make it in gold or silver. I prefer silver because that matches my ornaments, and it's really nice. So that's your second hook. I made 2. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I'll see you in the next one. These are called Ornament Christmas Hooks. And there you have it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share it with your friends, and give me a good thumbs up. Thumbs up. Bye, everybody. See you in the next video. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.